SDM is an application.
Okay.
It has different applications like servicing DM. It will take time to complete the refresh. So I started early for it. Now I'll show you for imaging database. Like for each application, we have 3 different environments: dev, QA, and UAT. And this is they asked for a QA refresh.
Okay.
Okay, and let me. So I come to this service now page of that request. Okay, they submit this request by providing the application name. Here STM servicing DMART is the application. Okay, we have in that application they have variants like this is the environment they selected QA, and they select QA. We have for one of two applications QA we have 3 servers, 2 servers, whatever servers, database servers for QA environment, whatever they have. Okay, so they will provide the server details. So which server you need to refresh. Okay, if they don't find the server name here in the servers list while they are submitting it, they're mentioned in the comments. So we don't see the server details for QA for S. So we are mentioning here for S. You can see here. For one of the requests, I will show it to you that they mentioned in the comments. 1 second.
Okay, instead of the in that box, so they will mention it in the comment.
Yes. Here you can see commercial services data hub. They provided like a dev for dev environment for commercial services data hub application. They submitted like the dev. But here you can see here QA server is not found in the service now. So we selected the dev. So this is the correct server details.
Okay.
You understood, right?
So that server we need where we need to update.
No, we don't update. They just they'll provide us. Like here they'll select the QA server. If they don't find the QA server, they just select the dev. Okay. And the correct right details, QA server details that needs to be refreshed by us. We have to check the QA server name and everything.
Okay.
And the snap, just remember the details they're providing. I'll explain you while performing the refresh.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the snapshot date. Okay, the like which refresh. Let's go to this here. This is a production appliance, FCB production appliance. These are the applications. These are the virtual databases. Virtual database means it will connect to the production database. Okay. These with Delphix side we say it as a virtual database. On the SQL side, it is a SQL database. You can see. And here we don't have any Oracle databases for this type of masking. For SQL, we have from database and they'll call it as a database. From our Delphix side, we call it as a virtual database. Okay, this virtual database will be connected to the production database through Commvault. Commvault is like a bridge. Okay, this VDB will be connected to the production database of their application database server through Commvault, because of the every time because of the load, like if you refresh this VDB will be refreshed from the production of their server. VDB is like a copy of those production server. Okay. Okay, each and every copy you can see here the sources like data sources. Whatever the source like agency integrated, you can see it is a source like a data source. It will take copy of it. Okay. Each time it will run these are all the copies you can see. 1255, 155 this it will take the copy of it. These are all the copies they're taking from the database, main database. This is a D source, and this D source will be connected to the virtual database. Agency integrator I was just showing you, like this is the virtual database. Okay. All should be running in the state. Okay. So for imaging, just go to this production database. Imaging, you can see where it is. It's an STM. See here SDM, I just show you. This is a servicing demand SDM application. Okay, for SDM you can see different virtual databases. Like these are the databases
Mm-hmm.
for one application. We have FRB reporting, imaging. These are all SDMs only. You can't don't confuse. Like they select one SDM, but we have to see which database, servicing database or imaging database. We
Okay.
have to make sure which database we are refreshing.
Okay.
So this we have SDM imaging. You can see what is the parent of this. You can see the parent SDM
Imaging, yeah.
imaging. This
Okay.
is the resource. This VDB will be connected to the resource. SDM imaging.
Okay.
Even though if you click it here, it will go to the resource. These are all the copies it will take. Okay, all the from the production database of that those SQL database. No.
Okay.
Server. Okay. This we are refreshing the with the virtual database. Okay, you can see here production server. That production server that is connected to the SQL database, their SQL database. That application team. This is a virtual database. Like this is the server of the main database.
Okay.
You understood? So this snapshot is like the take the snapshot of it. Like it will get the recent
One question,
copy.
sorry to cut
Yes.
you. So
Yeah.
there in the service now we see like servicing only, right? Why we coming here for imaging?
No, servicing where you can servicing data mart is the application. SDM
in
you can
the
see.
comments they mentioned, right?
Where did they mention?
Okay, sorry.
Imaging database.
Imaging. Okay, sorry. Oh.
These are 2 tickets. Okay, this
Okay,
servicing DM is the like I even started this one
Okay,
because
okay.
it will take time to complete.
Okay.
So imaging I didn't start.
Okay.
This is the imaging database.
Okay. Okay. So
Okay.
okay.
Yes. For imaging, I'll just refresh it. They asked for a refresh. Usually, we have 2 types of masking.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, this is the refresh, and the masking will be taken care by this. This is one type of masking where the refresh and the masking will be taken care by us.
Okay.
Okay. This masking is like a virtualization plus masking. This is a database. Like here, we connect to this production server and get a copy of it.
Okay.
This is the copy virtual database, and here we are going to replicate this production data. This is a production, right?
Yeah.
We are masking only non-prod, right?
Mm.
So this production data will be replicated to the non-prod.
Okay.
This is the non-prod server appliance, you can see.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
In the non-prod appliance, this is the production, right? Imaging SDK, you can see this P01068 is the production server.
Production. Okay.
In the non-prod, you can see all the imaging the non-prod databases like QA, UAT,
Okay.
and everything. I'll connect to that. And so this here, when we refreshed here, it will be replicated to the non-prod.
Okay.
Okay, you can
So
see
you just
here.
need to click the refresh button and do that, or how that?
Yes, yes, that's the. Here you can see service SDM service.
It's
DM.
getting refreshed, right?
Started it. Yeah, it's getting refreshed. Once it's done, this is for a different. Okay, like it is. You can see send replication update to the target Q08939. This is the non-prod.
Okay. So one
You
question
understand?
here, like the above one which you refreshed, no, it is taking 58 minutes, which means you already refreshed it, right?
Right, right.
Okay.
For servicing DM, usually it will take 1 day to complete.
Mm-hmm.
Refresh, replication, and again in the non-prod you need to refresh it.
Okay.
So the entire process usually it will take like around 1 day, like more than like it will take more time to complete it.
Okay.
That's the reason like I started it early. And this is for different. We have few other 3 requests, so Pratap is working on it. This is like a sending replication update after the refresh. Okay, you can see here replication is going to target, and here you can in the target also you can see the status is replication. It is coming from the production.
Okay.
You understood?
So maybe like after 58 minutes this refresh will get completed, right? Then you will start the process in the non-prod.
No. Yes, once see even the refresh, the replication should be complete. For replication it will take time.
Okay. No,
You
which mean
understand?
no, I didn't get you. Like even
What?
you can start it now in non-production also.
No. Only when the replication is completed. One second.
Okay.
Let me connect to non-prod. Here you can see this one send replication update to target.
Mm-hmm.
This is for CHDM, TFDM, MK. You can see here. This is for another application CHDH. See, this is CHDH you got now.
Mm-hmm.
This is for that replication, sending replication is for that different request. Okay.
Okay.
You can see it is still receiving it. From the production, it is receiving it.
Okay.
From source, replication update. So it needs to be complete in the non-prod as well. You understood, right?
Yeah, understood. This is the one which Pratap done. That is the one you're telling, or you're
Yes. No. That is the one I am telling.
okay.
I am working on servicing DM. This is CHDH, different application.
Different application. Yeah.
Yeah. Once the replication, this one is complete in the system, you can see replication. Where is like CHDM here? This one is red. This is completing working on it. You can see replication in progress. This is the one CHDH something you can see here.
Mm-hmm.
The same in the system when I go to replication for CHDH here in the down, I can see the replication in progress. Okay, once it's done, you can see that replication is received. Then only you have to refresh in the non-prod. Let me know if you understood. I'll just work on imaging. You understood.
Yeah. Maybe.
Okay.
Yeah.
This for imaging, I'm just refreshing production. We have to select the more accurate. Why? Because they have given to select the snapshot of the production. From the production to QA, you have to select the snapshot of 28th April.
Mm-hmm.
Select the more accurate, because faster means you will get the 29th April snapshot.
Okay.
Okay, but they want a more 28th. So I have to select the 28th. I have to select the more accurate one. I'll just go to 20th April, select the recent snapshot of 20th April, click next. You can see here the STM imaging is the D source.
Mm-hmm.
The source will be connected to the imaging. This STM VDB will get the T source from the STM imaging. Just remember this one, STM imaging MK.
Okay.
Okay, and I'll submit it. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Once the refresh is done, it will take some time. Here you can see VDB April 9th, 2026, right?
Mm-hmm.
Once the refresh is done, you can able to see the snap here, the refresh data.
Which means the recent one?
Recent one, April 29th, you can see here.
Okay.
Then you get to know that this is completed and it is replicating to like non-prod. This imaging it is completing. Okay. You can see refresh database. See, all the D sources should be in active state. Okay. That because if it is not in active state, the D sources coming like the production copies is not going on here. The ingestion, they call it as ingestion, it is not happening. This one is also faulted. You can see here Commvault, restore job with job ID, failed with job status failed. So Commvault is like a bridge between these resources and production server of those application.
Okay.
Here mostly will be on like we don't do manually complete, it's like automatic.
Mm-hmm.
We just do by clicking this refresh button, snap button and everything. Refresh you can see here.